Hi guys, it's me and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you part 2 of my fidget toy collection. If you didn't watch part 1, I will leave a link to the video to watch that down below. In this video, I'm going to be showing you mostly my poppets, stress balls, and some mochis I have. So let's get started. First I have this snake, 2 more flinging chickens, this triple dimple, this whole jar of mochis, and just anything that's mochi-like fidget. So I have this pig, I have this moj that has like a little thing that pops out. But yeah, there's a lot of different ones in here. This Tatsumo Squish'em. This is by the brand Jaru, same people that made the dough balls, which I have one of those. Here's the green dough ball. Here's the orange dough ball. This one's very neon, and it doesn't quite show up well on camera, but if you have this, you know it's a very bright color. I have this snowball, and this doesn't quite work like it used to, but you can see there's like cornstarch in it, and it makes like a crunching noise. You can go back and watch my birthday haul, and I think I opened that in that video. Here's a homemade flower stress ball. Comment down below if you want to see how I made this, or if I make a tutorial on how I make my stress balls. I have this jumbo jelly mochi. This is a little panda, I believe. It might be a dog though. I have this mesh glitter stress ball. This has red glitter in it, and you can see it's very satisfying. I have this super pretty water stress ball, and this has like a mermaid, some pearls, and glitter. This one's very satisfying to look at. I also have some Orbeez stress balls. These ones are really pretty. This is probably my favorite, and this one is a yellow one. I have this octopus stress ball. This one's really cute, and I think I got it from a vending machine or like a capsule toy machine. I have this pink ice cream or cupcake. Sorry about that. I have this mini globble that I got from the dollar store. This one's a glitter, I believe. It's really pretty though. I have a mini blue octopus mochi. I have this original pink Nido, and you can see what's inside. I have this jar of banana sand toy, and this is really stretchy. And if you're wondering how do you put this back to the normal size, you just basically roll it in your hands like you're rolling Play-Doh or something, and it'll go back to the original shape. I have this Orbeez, another rainbow Orbeez stress ball, but this one has little spikes on it. This is probably my favorite stress ball that I own. Highly recommend it. I think it's called a Globbies or something. I have this Orb jumbo stress ball, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all mixed. It's really pretty. But this one's really heavy, so I don't play with it that much. Speaking of jumbo stress balls, I have this one I got from Five Below. It's called a Super Stress Ball, and it's 5 inches. It actually says Super Stress Ball on it. This one has a similar texture to a Nido with a lot of air in it, as you can see. But it kind of is deflated over time. But yeah, it's still fun to use as just a regular stress ball. And last but not least, I have all of my poppets. I will do one by one. I have these 2 purple poppets by Foxmind. I have this square poppet, and this is the teal color from Amazon. I opened all of these on camera if you were wondering. I have this unicorn poppet. I have this yo-yo lip gloss reindeer poppet. Sorry the lighting keeps changing. But this one's really nice because it's really easy to pop. And last but not least, I have this plastic square poppet. And this one you don't have to hold up to pop. You can just take it on the go because it's plastic. You can pop it on the ground. If that makes sense. But this one's really nice. The back doesn't make that much noise. But anyways, that is all I have for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with all your friends and family. Sorry this was a bit of a long video, but see you next time. Bye!